Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning, back with another video for our 366 video challenge for 2020. And today I want to tell you about 5 non-legal things that you can do today. It's going to make things a lot easier for your family should something happen to you. So number 1 is updating your beneficiary designations, making sure that all of your retirement and life insurance and brokerage accounts all have primary and secondary and tertiary, if possible, beneficiaries listed, so that if something happens to you, or if something happens to you and your primary beneficiary, those assets will transfer immediately to the named beneficiary who succeeds you. Makes things a lot easier, helps those assets avoid probate should something happen to you. Number 2 is going to be add transfer on death designations to your deposit accounts, or make sure that if they're marital assets, if they're marital deposit accounts, that they're joint with rights of survivorship. Again, going to make sure that those assets transfer, free and clear outside of probate to the named beneficiary should something happen to you. Number 3 is going to be, if you're married, you should be reviewing the titling of your real estate and your motor vehicles, whether that's going to be, cars and trucks and motorcycles, or boats, RVs, trailers, those sort of things that have a certificate of title attached to them. You're going to want to make sure that the certificate of title is in both spouses' names, with the designation of joint tenant with rights to survivorship on it, right? So if that's there, it's going to transfer to the surviving spouse if one of the two spouses passes away. For a marital home, it should be already titled in both names, but it should be what's called tenancy by the entireties, so it allows for rights of survivorship between spouses if only one of them passes. Number 4 is going to be making sure that you have a ledger or a list or a balance sheet or a financial statement of all of your financial accounts or asset holdings, where they're located and how they can be accessed. So it doesn't mean you have to put all account numbers and balances, but it means you need to have, where are your bank accounts, where are your investment and retirement and life insurance accounts, so that should something happen to you, death or disability or incapacity, your family's plugged in and they don't have to go on a wild goose chase. You're also going to want to, as part of that ledger or as an additional ledger, create a list of your digital assets, your accounts that you log into every day. Could be also, your bank accounts. But, should something happen to you, it allows for you or your family to coordinate your affairs for you during your incapacity or after you're gone. And then 5 is going to be leaving written instructions as to what you want to happen after you're gone or while you're here but incapacitated. So if you have final arrangement plans and no one in your family knows about them, they're probably not going to happen. So if you want to be cremated, if you want to be buried, if you want to have a funeral or mass or an Irish wake or a party celebration, if you have specific wishes, you need to make sure that people know them. So having those conversations during your lifetime is great, but leaving behind a signed written instruction is even better. And obviously this can be as detailed or as general as you need. Parents, you may consider leaving written instruction as to how your kids should be raised in your absence. Where they go to school, who their doctors are, what their quirks or favorites or things that they hate are. So that should something happen to you, things are a lot easier. Nobody's guessing. They know exactly what to do, and what you want to happen actually will happen. If you like these videos, go ahead and click on our YouTube channel and subscribe. They'll be coming every day this year. Some are a little later than others, but we post every day nonetheless. If you have any questions or want to speak with us privately, go ahead and click below, and you can get on our calendar for a private complimentary strategy meeting, and or you can drop a comment in the comment box below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. I hope you're enjoying these videos. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.